Milan Design Week 2024. Inspirational and bespoke aquatecture spaces. At Milan Design Week last year, we celebrated the GROHE SPA concept of health through water with an immersive water-inspired installation. A calm water surface with 4 mirrored cubes, creating an illusion of infinity that served as the perfect backdrop to showcase our GROHE SPA collections. We're more than proud to be a part of Milan Design Week once again. With our new concept of Aquatecture Spaces, we aim to create the same immersive and contemplative experience, whilst elevating the fusion of water and architecture, and consequently, the health and well-being benefits this connection can bring. Each Aquatecture space will represent one of the 4 tiers that bring GROHE SPA to life. From the most exclusive tier, which utilizes metal 3D printing to create truly unique designs, to brand new bathroom collections with luxury material collaborations and trend-leading colored materials and finishes. With our new installation, we intend to create bespoke spaces that serve as an inspiration for our partners, architects, and designers. And to round off the holistic experience, we're planning a series of insightful aquatecture talks with renowned experts from the global A&D community. So don't forget to register for the talks and visit us at the Palazzo Reale from April 16 to 21st. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.